Stellenbosch 2, Kaizer Chiefs 1. Referee blows the whistle and the match starts. First few minutes of the game, Stellenbosch already are looking deadly, with 2 or 3 attacking chances against Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs wins a corner. There's a cross inside the box. Kaizer Chiefs striker tries to hit it, but the shot goes wide. 6 minutes in the game, Stellenbosch wins a free kick. The free kick is taken and the ball ends up in the box. Kaizer Chiefs are unable to clear the ball. As the Stellies defender tries to get the ball, a Kaizer Chiefs player kicks him in the head. Penalty to Stellenbosch. The Stellenbosch defender is bleeding. Dangerous play by the Kaizer Chiefs player. His foot was too high. Stellenbosch player steps up to take the penalty and he scores. Stellenbosch 1, Kaizer Chiefs 0. What a good penalty. It sent Peterson in the wrong direction. In the 22nd minute, Kaizer Chiefs lose a ball in their own half. The ball ends up by Titus, who attempts a long range and he scores. Stellenbosch 2, Kaizer Chiefs 0. What a rocket by Devon Titus. Peterson had no chance at saving it. 34 minutes inside the game, there's a through ball played to Shabalala. He takes a shot, but the Stellenbosch goalkeeper makes a save. Shabalala should have done better. He might not get another opportunity. In the 35th minute, there's a through ball played to Shabalala. He finds himself 1v1 against Stellies goalkeeper once again. He's eventually closed down by the Stellenbosch defenders. This could have been the moment to bring Kaizer Chiefs back in the game. More attacks by Kaizer Chiefs before halftime, but they are unsuccessful as Stellenbosch is doing a good job at either defending or saving the ball, or the shots go wide. Referee blows the whistle and it's half time. Kaizer Chiefs will need to make a change. They need to put in more attacking players because it's no use since they're already losing to defend. Referee blows the whistle and the second half starts. Right now it's tit for tat. Whenever Kaizer Chiefs get the ball, they're attacking. Whenever Stellenbosch gets the ball, they're attacking. In the 52nd minute, Kaizer Chiefs player crosses the ball inside the box. The ball ends up by Lelepo, who takes a shot but hits the goal post. 1 minute later, there's a through ball to Kaizer Chiefs striker, who attempts to cross the ball inside the box, but it hits a Stellenbosch player's hand, and the referee gives the penalty. Kaizer Chiefs players step up to take the penalty, and they score. Stellenbosch 2, Kaizer Chiefs 1. In the 63rd minute, Stellenbosch find themselves outnumbering Kaizer Chiefs defenders as they're attacking. Unfortunately, when the ball lands by a Stellenbosch player, he made a heavy touch. Peterson was able to make the save, injuring himself in the process. 71 minutes inside the game, Vilakazi receives the ball in the Stellenbosch half, takes a cross inside the box, but the Stellenbosch defender does a good job at defending the ball. Kaizer Chiefs wants to equalize, Stellenbosch wants to extend its lead. In the 80th minute, there's a long-range attempt by Lelepo, but the shot goes wide. 95 minutes inside the game, a Stellenbosch defender finds himself 1v1 against Peterson. Takes a shot, but Peterson makes a save. What a save by Peterson, denying Stellenbosch the third goal. Referee blows the whistle, and the match is over. The Nedbank defending champions are knocked out.